together as a modern take on traditional camera design. Lastly, we've maintained the circular camera look for that added professional feel. Now, Xiaomi 14 Ultra will come in black and white. Different options for different tastes. So, obviously appearances do matter, but what's beneath the surface matters even more. Our Xiaomi Guardian structure, from the inside to out, has been engineered to help create one of the world's most durable devices. First, we use a very unique aluminum as the main component of the frame. We chose this specific alloy for its strength. Now, every cutter seam in a piece of metal will generally lower its integrity, which is why we carved this frame from a single block of aluminum. Now, this is not only a very costly process, it's also a very in-depth piece of craftsmanship. So it sounds like a lot of work, right? Well, we're not doing it for nothing. This extra effort yielded us a frame that is 1.38 times stronger. So I said inside out before, and that's true. And we extended that effort to the front of the device as well. 14 Ultra features our most durable display material ever. Introducing Xiaomi Shield Glass. Now, as some of you may know, manufacturing glass gets harder the more curves that you add, the more angles. Which is why many curved devices are only curved on two sides. Regardless, we wanted to offer some of the very strongest materials available today. So, can I drop it? Well, yeah, but hopefully not. If you do, Shield Glass will offer 10 times higher drop resistance than the previous generation. Now, one of the failings of other textured finishes is their longevity. So we've made this one of our most durable, wear-resistant finishes to date. As a material base, we've used the next generation of our nanotech vegan leather. This is 6 times more resistant to wear. Now, SGS has certified specifically this material for resistance in a wide variety of situations as well. So these three things together, these encompass our Xiaomi Guardian structure. And last but not least, when you talk about durability, obviously IP68 is essential.
IP68.
But let's get to what actually makes this device legendary. Camera. With Xiaomi 14 Ultra, we introduced the pinnacle of mobile optics, supported first and foremost by a Sumulux optical system. This optical system features ultra-large aperture across 4 lenses, particularly in the primary f1.63 main camera. We've used professional-grade lens material for leading light emission, with materials including an 8-piece lens that features specialized lens coating, all of which help enhance image quality. Now, lastly, each of these lenses has been designed for low distortion and dispersion, yielding some of the best performance in category. This Ultra Sumulux system allows us to capture incredible shots with a sense of perspective, authentic colors, impressive levels of detail, and creamy background bokeh. Now, Xiaomi 14 Ultra features our most advanced camera system ever. Each lens is designed with a single use case in mind. So, let's start with the main camera. This utilizes leading imaging hardware. Primarily, the all-new 1-inch sensor, the LTE-A 900. Now, this sensor increases sensor photodiodes and floating diffusion mobile area. This achieves an increase in full well capacity. So, simplifying all those very complicated words I just said. This improves dynamic range capture. Now, unlocking an absolutely insane 14 EV dynamic range, this means more fluid color transitions as well as greater detail in light and in shadow. Now, this 1-inch sensor is paired with an ultra-large f1.63 aperture, with huge improvements in light intake over our previous generation. The goal here, and what it does allow for, is for true optical feel and flavor. And strikingly, a 36% improvement in light intake compared to the previous generation. This creates gorgeous shots. Whether you're shooting colorful, but very varying scenarios. Or creating multi-leveled mood through the use of crisp line and light and shadow. Now, the main camera is an incredible feat of optical engineering. Precise mechanics are needed to develop and produce this camera system. It's a feat of craftsmanship to integrate not only a 1.63 aperture, but an 8-piece lens, OIS, and a 1-inch sensor, all in one legendary camera. But with Xiaomi 14 Ultra, we didn't just match the best that the industry has to offer. We are delivering breakthroughs in mobile optics. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the very first 1-inch sensor to offer stepless variable aperture. We've also integrated advanced PI aperture blades. These deliver incredible light blocking capabilities despite their incredibly compact size. Now, variable aperture, when combined with Simlex optics and a 1-inch sensor, offers an incredibly diverse range of possibilities. The 1.63 aperture is perfect for portraits with true-to-life bokeh. The 2.0 aperture allows for inventive and creative ways to capture new different types of photos, like creating starburst effects here. Now, that will usually require very specialized camera hardware to achieve. Or 4.0 aperture. This provides a shallow depth of field, so you can capture friend and family group shots in incredible clarity. This legendary main camera allows you to capture legendary shots in so many situations. But let's talk about telephoto. We featured a dual telephoto setup, a traditional 75 and 120 millimeter setup. Xiaomi 14 Ultra gives you more ways to capture more scenes. This allows you to create rich captures with a sense of depth. You see here the detail in the facial hair, the skin, the mood of the eyes, or even that velvety red background. Or like this. The detail in the skin, the smile, the hair, everything is absolutely incredible. So think far, think close. But sometimes smaller is better. So our telephotos also offer macro capabilities for the first time ever. For me personally, this is particularly important when you want to be able to show off product or hardware shots. Anything where you're demonstrating craftsmanship. Lastly, the Leica ultra-wide lens rounds out legendary imaging capabilities. Again, with ultra-large aperture. And as always, ultra-wide is amazing for giving you the ability to capture new photos with a sense of perspective. So this combo of focal lengths opens up more professional, effortless ways to capture. We call this ultrafocal length capture. And with large apertures across all the lenses, capturing stunning detail has never ever been easier. Adding on to this through creative use of zoom, one scene can be captured from so many different perspectives, all in outstanding optical quality. Now, our ultrafocal length photography has one more dimension to it, unlocking new capabilities with street photography. Now, for those of you who don't shoot street photography, one of the most important things is speed. And Xiaomi 14 Ultra is fast. From standby mode to capturing a photo is 0.7 seconds. So our street photography mode also allows our pro users easy access to more information. Take a quick look at some shots. Like this shot, actually this was shot by one of our fans. Crisp colors, lines, sense of motion. Check out the detail on the Chuck Taylors and the wings of the bird. All this while maintaining authentic colors and textures. Kind of paints a picture of real life. Now, the incredible hardware capabilities of Xiaomi 14 Ultra are legendary. But this is taken to a completely new level with boundary breaking. After all, once again, it is a 2024 product launch. Computational AI. Our Xiaomi imaging engine has been fully upgraded to the all-new Xiaomi AISP, now with an integrated proprietary AILM photography architecture. Xiaomi AISP makes full use of incredible SoC capabilities and Xiaomi